Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so the ad flow won't break. Open Rivals, verify you're logged into the intended profile, and confirm the ad button appears in the reward area. This prevents watching for the wrong account. Once done, switch to a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile connection because ads often time out on weak signals. Make sure notifications and pop-up permissions are allowed so the ad overlay can open. Without that, the only way method will fail before it begins. Now you trigger the ad itself. Navigate to the Rewards or Boost panel and tap the Watch Ad button. This is the only way to claim the bonus. Once you tap, allow the pre-roll buffer to complete. Do not close or switch apps because the session can drop and register as skipped. While watching, watch for optional close buttons and keep the screen awake. Interacting with the device can pause the ad and invalidate the reward, so stay focused until the confirmation appears. Finish by claiming the reward and verifying it posted to your account. After the ad ends, wait for the confirmation pop-up and tap Collect. If the reward doesn't appear immediately, give the server a few seconds, then refresh the inventory. If nothing posts, restart Rivals and confirm your network is stable. That often resolves sync failures. As a last resort, clear the app cache or reinstall. Doing so resets ad components and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.